Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Mazda BT-50 single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 4974. This shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 9th month 2011. It has a WLAT 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. WLAT 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, Triple M alloy tray with all bolts, brackets, no sides, does have rear ladder racks. Right, left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right manual door mirror and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. This vehicle has manual window winders, grey cloth seat, bench seat type, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, less knobs, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.